Hello amigos, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we will be making a delicious Pico De Gallo, a very simple recipe anyone can make. For the ingredients, you will need a bunch of cilantro, 2 serrano peppers, 1/3 of an onion, and 2 tomatoes. Start by finely cutting your serrano peppers. If you don't want it too spicy, you can remove the seeds. Once you're done, add your serrano peppers into a bowl. Next, we're doing the tomatoes. You're also gonna chop them very finely and then add them into the bowl. Now we're doing the onion. You're also gonna chop it up really finely. You can use whatever onion you will like, purple or white or yellow, it doesn't matter. Last but not least, the cilantro. You're gonna chop it very finely as well and add it into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Now add in a pinch of salt and pepper and mix, and there you have it, the Pico De Gallo. Look at this classic Pico De Gallo. You can use it with your favorite tacos or your favorite dish. Friends, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.